Yeah, welcome, Bona. I just want you to give a proper demonstration of your writing skills. Today, I'm going to give you a topic. You must just give me one advantage about that topic in 3 sentences.
Okay.
Am I clear to you?
Yes, you're clear, Vinod.
Okay, fine. The topic is advancement of science and technology. The benefits of science and technology. I just need a single benefit.
Okay.
And I want 3 sentences for the single benefit with connectors, of course.
Yes, definitely.
You can take a couple of minutes to write down your statement.
Okay.
And then say it to me after you complete writing it.
Sure. Yeah, I will. Can I start now?
Yes, you can start.
Thank you.
Completed?
Yes.
Just need a single benefit.
Yes.
You shall.
Yeah. Firstly, science and technology has brought people very close. In fact, today, even an 80-plus-year-old person understands what is a Facebook or even a chat session. Furthermore, the availability of people due to technology advancements have really brought a feeling of various emotions such that they share happiness most often.
Can you repeat it one more time so that everyone can understand without stutter and stammer and a break?
Sure. Firstly, science and technology has brought people very close. In fact, today, even an 80-plus-year-old person understands what is a Facebook or even a chat session. Furthermore, the availability of people due to technology advancements have really brought in different feelings and ensured happiness most often.
Okay. Now you assume yourself as a trainer and
Mhm.
explain to me why did you use the connector in fact and furthermore to me, imagining myself as a student and you're the trainer.
Got it. Yeah. So, Vinod, in this first point, you're talking about one benefit, which is about the science and technology advancement. So, if you have noticed, we're talking with 2 connectors, which is in fact and furthermore.
Yes.
Now, why I have actually used in fact? Because I'm trying to convey a fact, like which is really existing today, which is all around you, that you're trying to convey something. Got it?
Perfect.
Now, second thing, furthermore, it is a beautiful connector to help advance your thought process to the next point.
Got it.
So this helps in bringing some more value to the prior point.
Okay.
Got it?
Adding one more evidence to that, right?
Yes, adding one more evidence to it. Perfect.
Perfect. Yeah.
Hope you got it.
Yeah. Thank you, Bonna.
Thank you.